Hello, it's Helen and welcome to my tiny London kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favourite drinks, rhubarb and ginger gin. Homemade is just so much nicer. It's much cheaper to make, it's a pretty pink colour and it's absolutely delicious. Super simple ingredients to make this delicious rhubarb and ginger gin. Just some rhubarb, root ginger. I keep a ginger root in the freezer because it keeps it fresh and you can just throw it in from frozen, and if you're doing another dish that needs grated ginger, you can grate your ginger root from frozen. So it's a really good no waste tip. Everyday granulated white sugar and optional orange, but I like a little bit of orange zest as well because it complements the rhubarb so beautifully. So we're going to just quickly slice up the rhubarb and then give it a wash. So I've got a largish clip top jar. I'm putting my washed chopped rhubarb in, then the 2 little slices of ginger, and I like to add a little bit of orange zest just for a bit of extra flavour. So pop that into the jar as well. There we go, and now we put the sugar in. And finally pour over the gin. The lid on, give it a quick swirl and leave it for a couple of weeks. Give it a swirl for the first few days or so until all the sugar has dissolved. So after a couple of weeks, all the colour from the rhubarb has gone into the gin, so it's now time to strain it. So now ready to strain, I like to use a sieve lined with a cloth just to make sure your final gin is crystal clear. Pour it all through and we'll just leave it to drip. And you can see the gin is a gorgeous pink colour. So I've strained my rhubarb. I like to give it a little bit of a squeeze because we don't want to waste any of that delicious gin. And now it's time to bottle. Now time to enjoy our homemade rhubarb and ginger gin. Look at that gorgeous pink colour. And now the taste test. Scrumptious. If it wasn't the middle of the morning, I would probably drink the whole glass.